friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sochima, aka Chime, and today I'm going to be doing this Cardi B and today I'm going to be doing this Cardi B inspired hair tutorial. So if you'd like to learn how to do this hairstyle, stay tuned. So first things first, I'm the realest. No, I'm just kidding. Right now I'm showing you all the things that I bought. The first thing that I bought was the organics. I don't know what that is. We are not finna do this video like this. Hold on, pause. Organics Body Wave 3-piece set. We also have Canon Jumbo braiding hair. The organics comes with a closure, so I bought that as well. And then to spice things up, you get steel rings and a bangle and a dome cap. Now, if you don't know how to make wigs, I have plenty of videos on my channel, and if not, you can go look up some on YouTube. You know, nothing too major. But right now we're taking the braiding hair, and you know it comes in a blunt straight line. Right now I'm kind of just making the ends all like feathered and all pretty and stuff. So we're gonna take that steel ring and we're gonna put the hair through it just like this, and we're gonna get some spritz. Yes, spritz and the hair tie, and we're gonna spritz this bad boy up and make it real sleek and no stray hairs. Now take the hair tie, wrap it around the ring, around the hair, and that's basically gonna hold everything in place. And then after you do that, you're gonna take a piece of braiding hair and pretty much wrap that around the hair tie to like conceal the hair tie. And when I say you want to use all the spritz in the world, like use a bottle and then go get another bottle and then use that bottle and then go get another one. Just kidding, but not really. Like use a lot of spritz. And basically you're gonna tuck all of that hair all the way in, all the way around. And again, add some more spritz. And basically that's what the ponytail is gonna look like. And like I said, if you don't know how to make a wig, go figure out how to make a wig and then make your wig. And right now you see me cutting the lace off the wig that I made, and then I'm gonna try it on and make it look all pretty. I like using Got2b glue to hold down all of my wigs, so just this little section of the closure is what I'm going to use to, well, use the Got2b to hold that down. And if you know anything about me and my middle parts, I love doing this little swoop of hair right here because it just blends everything so nicely. And right now I'm detangling the wig while it's drying. Oh, okay, so this is a really important part. So right now I'm cutting like the frontal, really. Like I'm cutting a little bit of the wig, like the red hair, but I'm mainly cutting the frontal because, or the closure, because it was too long and it didn't look well. So I thought by like cutting it, it will like make the hair blend so much better. Like basically like the closure was made for this wig, pretty much. But as you see, I drenched the hair in some water. Well, not drenched, but I put some water on the hair. I combed it, made everything really sleek. I pulled out some earpieces, and now I'm cutting those to like kind of like frame my face, I would say, like those cute little sideburns that you see. Yes, that's what that is right there. That's what I'm doing right there. And I laid my edges off cameras, and as y'all seen, my best friend spritz. Yeah, I spritzed the top of my hair, and I'm brushing everything into the ponytail. And so now you're gonna take the ponytail and wrap it through the top of the ring just like you did that bottom part. I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about right there. So essentially what you're gonna do is completely repeat what you did when you wrapped the hair around the ring the first time. So I just basically wrapped everything, and if you can't get a friend to help you, and have your friend cut off all the excess hair at the top, because you want everything to look really, really nice. And it's okay if it's not perfect, because guess what? You got this beautiful bedazzled bangle thingy, bracelet thingy, that you can just bend to go around your ponytail. And now after you're done with that, you're gonna tease the bottom of the ponytail so it can be all big and poofy and have a lot of body. Lot of body, a lot of body. We like to party. No, let me stop. And basically what you're gonna do is take some rubber bands and make these little like bubble poof things. Like these poofy, it's a poofy bubble ponytail. And you do this all the way down, all the way down. And then take some scissors and you want to make the end all pretty like, right? You want to make it all cute, and you just take the scissors and make it all nice. So this is the finished product. There's like a couple of more pieces that I need to fix. It goes all the way down to my butt. So, have like a bubble ponytail. And it's a Cardi B inspired hair tutorial, so I really do hope that you like it. I'm about talking to my go find some lip gloss. I definitely forgot to record my outro, so I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you try this out, definitely leave a comment down below with the link. I definitely want to support and see what you got going on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and chime in next time.